Okay, so when you're trying to determine where to place the decimal in your answer, you want to look at the number of places that are to the right of the decimal in the factor. So, for example, if you have 0.7 times 2, there's only one number to the right of the decimal point over here. So when you multiply this out, you're going to just do the same down here. It's only one place. But if you're going to multiply, let's say 0.7 times 0.7, there are now two places. So when you multiply this out,